This is Imusa Electric Single Burner, 1100 watts. Here's a user manual. And here should put back in. And this is the burner itself, pretty loose. And now this burner is plugged in. This is off. I start to turn it on. Okay, right on the low it start. I just put on to the mid all the way to high. It's already started smoking. I think maybe just the surface oil. And it's still smoking right now. I just highly recommend that if you do it first time, you better do it outdoors. Okay, the smoking is not stopped and I feel the heat. I put it like high, it's 1100 watts. Yeah, even though it's small, but I think it's super hot right now. And I put my hand on the bottom. It's actually, the bottom is not hot at all. The bottom is very cool. And this burner is pretty light, super light, and there's no protection. So when you're cooking on this, just be very careful. My only complaint is that the power cord is actually super short. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.